Everyone smile. Hey, picnic up here.
Eat tiger rolls.
Ooh, yum. Oh. Here we are, week 7 update for everybody. And I've got Hayley here, and she's going to help us out today. Now, Hayley, where are we in the house at the moment?
Upstairs.
Upstairs. Now, we had a look here a few weeks ago. What's different compared to when you were here last time?
The roof and the walls.
The walls are on, weren't they?
No.
Oh, yes. Well, that's called bracing. That wasn't there last time, was it? No, it wasn't. You're right. The roof as well. The roof trusses are on. So all of the roof trusses are on, and that was a wonderful day on Tuesday. We did a lot of that on Tuesday, and then Wednesday and Thursday we did heaps of bracketing and bracing and so many things. So we've got things like valley boards. Do you know which ones are the valley boards? Oh yeah, well.
On top of the roof?
Yeah, so these are valley boards. So that's on the top. We've got some batten screws at the top there too. We've also got some speed bracing. We did all of that. We've got some triple grips over here. So we've done all that. So lots and lots of bracketing on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. And you had a question about the roof. What was your question?
Why is there lots of writing on the roof?
Now there's lots of writing on the roof because all of the roof trusses, I found this out, all the roof trusses have letters and numbers on them because you get instructions. And the instructions tell you how to put it all together. Now I remember what some of them are. Jean told me what they all were, but the ones basically that have, so if they've got a G on them, that means they're a girder. So some of these have got a hardwood base and they're the main girders. So they span right across a couple of rooms. And then another one will join into it. And I know these corner ones are called the hip because they've got a H in them. But then you got ones like C1, C2A, C3, B4, GT. Jean told me them all, and I might actually ask him and I might put it on the screen so we know what they are. But basically it was really cool because you get all the instructions and it was just millimeter perfect. All the trusses fitted on really easily. So again, hats off to Jean, it was really good. But Hayley, we had a big week this week because Monday, big week of weather, I'll say, because on Monday it was, in Melbourne, it was 0 degrees. It was 0. And Hayley, did you know, on Monday morning, the water in the wheelbarrow froze. It was that cold. Do you remember that morning? You don't remember it? Okay, anyway, it was cold. But a lot of the timber had frozen. The floor up here was really slippery. But then the day it was a beautiful day. Then Tuesday, we probably had the best sunrise I've seen in a long time. It was absolutely beautiful. So starting the day with a wonderful sunrise was great. And then Friday, we had so much rain. Remember yesterday? Yeah. How much rain was there?
A lot.
We had a lot of rain, and the rain unfortunately has done a lot more damage than it ever has at the moment, so it's really tricky. So next week we're hoping to have a roof on the place. So Wednesday we're hoping to get scaffolding, and Thursday the roof will start. Takes about a week, but that will be really great, getting an actual roof on the house. The other things to show you are the porch at the front, so let's go down the ladder and we'll go and check out the porch. Alright, let's go and show over on the porch. Show us where the porch is.
Yeah.
This is the garage. Where's the porch? Oh, who's on the porch?
I'm sitting here, enjoying a cup of tea.
So that's the porch. What's the frame of the porch? Woo! Now that is one thing that is super, super level. So the way to work out if it's level, and I've got some footage of this, Gene gets out his level and he throws it across, and if it doesn't fall or stop on anything, it's perfect. So absolutely solid, that one, really level. But that's really great. So that's the end of the update for this week. Hope everyone's going well. Big shout out to my class, because I know that a lot of you guys are in distance learning at the moment. So I've been thinking about you, have been praying about you too. But everyone else, hope you have a great week, and we'll see you, hopefully with the roof, next week. Bye-bye. Good grief. This is very high. Whew. Nice work up here, look at that. It's like a slide.